prime numbers, these are the natural numbers. Natural numbers, of course, natural numbers are starting from 1 goes to infinity. The natural numbers whose only factors are 1 and itself. So 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. 1 is not a prime number. Pay attention. I write here 1, 2, 3 up to infinity to show the natural number. So 1 is not a prime number. So these are the prime numbers starting from 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. So the rule is prime number. So these are natural numbers whose only factors are 1 and itself. 1 is already itself, therefore 1 is not a prime number. So this is the biggest mistake. Usually students fall in trapped. 1 is not a prime number, 2 is the smallest, and pay attention, the only even prime numbers. All the other prime numbers are odd. So please remember this one. So 2, 3, 5, 7. I urge you to remember or memorize this up to 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, up to here. Pay attention. 5 is the only number that can be divided by 5. So 15 is not prime number. 25 is not prime number. 35 is not prime number. 45 is not prime number. 55 is not prime number, because all these numbers can be divided by 5. So it breaks the rule. The prime numbers can be divided by 1 or itself. So these are not prime numbers. 2 is the first and only even prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd.